Do you hear this sound whenever you turn off the engine of your car? Every time you hit the ignition switch and turn it off, you hear the sound. Listen to it. So you're wondering, where's that sound coming from? What does it mean? Why is my car making that sound whenever I turn off the ignition? Well, in my own case, this was what happened, or this was what led to the car having this sound whenever I turn off the ignition. Initially, it started with this sound. I was hearing this in the car. You know, in the country where I live, we don't have the best of auto technicians, auto mechanics. We don't have the best of them. I'm driving a Toyota Corolla 2009. That's what I'm driving right now. And when I started hearing this sound, the first sound, you know, I was concerned, like, what is this? I asked the mechanic, you know, to diagnose on time, like, find out where it's coming from, but he was too busy on that day and he couldn't fix it. 2 days later, when I turned off the ignition, that was when this sound started. So what's making this sound? It turns out, in my own case, to be the alternator. Well, it depends on how you call it in your country. Americans will say alternator. The alternator was what was responsible for the sound that you're hearing. So we got the alternator fixed in my own case, and the sound stopped. Or should I say, we got the alternator replaced and the sound stopped. Other people will say, remove your serpentine belts. In other cases, when you hear the first sound, when it starts with the first sound for you, remove the serpentine belt, start your car, let your engine spin, and listen to the sound if it will still come out from there. That's other diagnosis I was getting from other people. But in my own case, it was the alternator that was triggering that sound. And we got the alternator fixed, and now the sound has stopped. My name is Nev Harrison. Thanks for watching. Bye.